Have you ever wondered what's in the center of the galaxy? Well, could it be a cosmic vacuum cleaner? Or could it just be a dent in space-time? Actually, it's both! It's a supermassive black hole! The black holes form when a star, really big, explodes. So imagine this is a really big star. Then it explodes in a supernova explosion. A supernova looks like a star that shines brighter than all the others, but it's actually an explosion. So if you have a star here that explodes in a supernova, it can turn into a pulsar, or it can turn into a black hole. So a supermassive black hole forms when two black holes wander off, and then they hit each other, or they burst into each other. What happened if they got too close to a black hole? The event horizon is a place of no escape in black holes. So remember the vacuum cleaner I mentioned earlier? So if something went here, it could escape, but if it went here, it could not escape. Then it would go and then it goes through the vacuum cleaner and into a new universe. A thing that happens around the event horizon is something called spaghettification. So a spaghettification is like this. So if I get it to vibrate, I can pull on each side and it will stop vibrating. But that only happens on Earth. If I keep pulling it, it snaps. And that's what happens to do inside black holes, to represent spaghettification. Which happens because there's more gravity pulling on your legs. Imagine this is an astronaut plunging into a black hole. She falls along here and falls past the event horizon. But amazingly, her crew members in the rocket ship only see her go like this. Then she freezes at the event horizon because inside black holes, time slows down. Well, it's important to understand about black holes because one day they might suck up Earth.